Hi, I'm Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today we're going to talk about why criminal cases take a long time to resolve. Let's first start with a couple of premises. The first one is that our system is designed to be cautious because convicting someone of a crime is a big deal, and that's how we want it. So speed is not a priority of the court system. Okay, now there are some limits. They don't want it to take 5 years, but otherwise, the goal for the criminal system is not to resolve your case as fast as possible. The goal is to have the most justice, the accurate result, where guilty people are convicted and innocent people are let go. I do often say this: I can get a bad result on a case a lot faster than I can get a good result. Okay, there are ways to cut corners if you just want to take a bad result quickly. If you don't want that, then you have to sort of be patient. So the reasons that criminal cases take a long time to resolve: first, the administration of the system, or the administrative process of filing cases, creating files, doing all the things that are legally required to charge someone with a crime. That takes time, months, sometimes 6 months, sometimes 8 months. It's this long process that you might not be aware of, because sometimes people assume, well, they took me to jail, so they've got a case against me. No, that's just step one. They take you to jail, then they start the process of the administrative paperwork. The second thing that takes a surprising amount of time is the evidence, getting it to the defense attorney. Sometimes there is, for example, blood that needs to be evaluated, analyzed, and that can take 6-7 months sometimes. Videos have to be uploaded. Things have to be given to the defense attorney before the defense attorney can even start negotiating with the prosecutor, or the prosecutor's even willing to talk with us. So that sometimes takes many months. The next thing is mitigation, and that's stuff that the defendant should do to get a good result on their case. And it could be classes, or generally it's classes, and these classes can take a weekend or they can take 4 months, depending on what type of class. So to get a good result, we want as much mitigation when we're negotiating as possible, and that can take time. The next thing are the prosecutor and the judge. Both of these are regular human beings with regular lives. They sometimes are slow at answering emails, at doing things, at setting dates. So we can't control the prosecutor and the judge, and so that can delay a case, their workload. Now, this next one is the person who certainly gets blamed for everything, the defense attorney. Okay, so a lot of time defendants feel like the defense attorney is the one dragging it out when it's all these other things. Okay, I will say though, there are some scenarios and some defense attorneys who may not be doing things as effectively as possible. So of course it's possible that the defense attorney is to blame for some of the delay, but usually it's these other categories: the administration, the evidence, the mitigation, and the prosecutor or the judge. All right, I hope that helps you understand the process a little better. Take care.